Hello children, how are you? I'm glad to see you all. Welcome to our class children. Today we are going to learn an interesting topic about a special person which you love the most. Before that, before going to main topic, I'll ask you some questions. Are you ready children? Yes. Who feeds you? Yes, our mother. Our mother feeds us. Our mother feeds us. Mother cooks delicious food in kitchen and she supply all types of food like morning tiffins and afternoon lunch, evening snacks and night dinner. Is it right children? Yes. Who cares about you? Who cares about you children? Who will take care about you? Suppose for example you are playing in playground. Unfortunately you got hurt. Then what happens? Mother and then what happens children? Mother apply some cream on that. So what she is doing here? Your mother taking care about you. So your mother taking care about your health. Your mother taking care about your health. Now, whom you love the most children? Whom you love the most? Yes, mother. Whom you love the most? Mother. Why? Because we will share. Why? Because everything we will share with our mother. Everything we will share with our mother. Like secrets, happiness, stories, etc. Why? Because we trust our mother. We trust our mother. She is special person for us. Is it right children? She is special person for us. So we love our mother. And she does all the work in the house. Is it right children? She does all the work in the house to satisfy all our needs. Look here, she is taking care about everything. She is taking care and she does all the work in the house. She tries very hard to satisfy all our needs. She tries very hard means she will work hard to satisfy all our needs. Did you ever help your mother children? Help means giving support. Did you ever help your mother? Help means giving support to your mother. And for example, you have to do small works. You have to do small works like arranging your books in order, cleaning your table. Like that you have to help to your mother. Are you a helping hand to your mother children? Helping hand means giving support to your mother. Giving support to your mother. Are you a helping hand to your mother children? Can you guess today what is our topic children? So can you guess what is our topic here? Yes, today our topic is helping mother. Helping mother. Children, here today our topic is helping mother. Our first poem is helping mother. You can read here HELPING, helping, MOTHER, mother. Our first poem helping mother. Here we are going to read our poem. MOTHER, mother. IS is BUSY, busy. Mother is busy. SH is she. HAS has. A HUNDRED, 100. THINGS, things. TO2, DO, do. She has 100 things to do. She has 100 things to do. COOKING, cooking. AND and WASHING, washing. Cooking and washing. IRONING, ironing. AND and MENDING, mending. Ironing and mending. Ironing and mending. AND and DUSTING, dusting. TOO2, AND and DUSTING, dusting. TOO2, and dusting too. Here once again we'll read our poem. Mother is busy. What is this? Mother is busy. Our mother works continuously without any break. Here if you observe this, she is doing all works in our house. See, observe carefully, cooking, washing, and all works she is doing without any break. So our mother is busy. She is busy with all works. She is busy with all works because she loves her family very much. She loves her family very much. She has 100 things to do. She has 100 things to do. 100 things means many works. So many works like cooking, washing, mending, ironing and dusting too. Here if you observe here, she is cooking and washing. Cooking and washing. What she is doing? Cooking and washing. Ironing and mending. Here mother doing ironing and mending. She ironed the clothes. She ironed the clothes to look neat and dignified. Here mending means she'll repair our clothes with needle. She'll repair our clothes with needle. She stitch all our clothes. She stitch our clothes with needle. She mends the clothes to look neat. Mending means stitching clothes with needle. And dusting too. Yeah, and dusting too. Major and difficult work is dusting, children. Major and difficult work is dusting. She'll clean our house. She does it easy to get rid of germs. To get rid of germs for leading a healthy life. She'll keep our house neat and clean. She'll keep our house neat and clean. See, once again we'll read our poem. Mother is busy. Read along with me, children. Mother is busy. She has 100 things to do. Cooking and washing, ironing and mending, and dusting too. Now we'll learn rhyming words. It's rhyming time, children. Okay, children. Now we're going to learn rhyming words. Are you ready, children? Yes. Here we are going to learn rhyming words, children. Once again we'll read our poem. Mother is busy. She has 100 things to do. Cooking and washing, ironing and mending, and dusting too. Once again, children. Mother is busy. Mother is busy. She has 100 things to do. Cooking and washing, ironing and mending, and dusting too. Now we'll learn rhyming words, children. Here, mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Rhyming word is brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R. B-U-S-Y, busy, B-U-S-Y, busy. Rhyming word E-A-S-Y, easy, E-A-S-Y, easy. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Rhyming word is R-I-N-G-S, rings, R-I-N-G-S, rings. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Our rhyming word is L-O-O-K-I-N-G, looking. W-A-S-H, wash. Rhyming word is C-A-S-H, cash, C-A-S-H, cash. M-E-N-D-I-N-G, mending, M-E-N-D-I-N-G, mending. Rhyming word is B-E-N-D-I-N-G, bending, B-E-N-D-I-N-G, bending. D-U-S-T-I-N-G, dusting, D-U-S-T-I-N-G, dusting. R-U-S-T-I-N-G, rusting. Now, children, we completed our rhyming words. We'll see pictures also. We'll see pictures. Here we are seeing mother picture, children. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Rhyming word is brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. Mother, brother. B-U-S-Y, busy. Our mother always busy with works, na children. B-U-S-Y, busy. E-A-S-Y, easy. Easy means within short time, doing work within short time. Doing work within short time, we can say easy. E-A-S-Y, easy. B-U-S-Y, busy. E-A-S-Y, easy. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Things means anything, all balls. Here you can see things, all types of items will called as things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. R-I-N-G-S, rings. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. R-I-N-G-S, rings. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. L-O-O-K-I-N-G, looking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. L-O-O-K-I-N-G, looking. W-A-S-H, wash. W-A-S-H, wash. C-A-S-H, cash. Here we are seeing pictures, Nana. Cash means money. Here boy washing hands. W-A-S-H, wash. C-A-S-H, cash. M-E-N-D-I-N-G, mending. Here mother repairing our clothes. Mending means repairing clothes with needle. M-E-N-D-I-N-G, mending. B-E-N-D-I-N-G, bending. B-E-N-D-I-N-G, bending. D-U, small particles, dust, waste. Dust means waste. D-U-S-T, dust. R-U-S-T, rust. You can observe here, rust means some rust on iron, some waste material we can see on iron, that one will called as rust. Once again we'll read our rhyming words. Mother, brother, busy, easy, things, rings, cooking, looking, wash, cash, mending, bending, dust, rust. Up to here, is it clear, children? With this we completed our first paragraph, children. Only we learn first paragraph. See you in next class.